Our gel formula is super easy to use. I'm going to show you how you can use it in 3 different ways. For this first look, I'm going to use Spliff brush 85. Just dip it right into the container. Does not crease, does not budge, and it has enough play time so you can really blend that out. Brush number 27, dip it right into the product. Let's make it darker. I'm gonna add onyx. It's getting nice and smoky. And I'm gonna use the flat brush 25. I'm gonna go under my eye to bring that black right up next to the lash line. Okay, next. Oh my god, really? It's like not my day. Aquí está look número 2. And take brush 25, dip it into Spliff, and apply it right by the lash line. Just real tight by the lash line, real tight. Now do the same to the top. Right by the lash line and brush it up. That's my shit. If you want to look cute. Eyes look wide open. Pink heels and Spliff. Last but not least, Belladonna 2 with Thrill lip liner. Now we're gonna add a little bit of a wing liner situation. 96 brush, just got that little point. Dip it right into the gel liner. I'm using black. I'm gonna start from the inside of my eye. Just lay it flat against your skin and pull it back. Tap it in the corner and then bring it up. This is my favorite.